Welcome to DailyEnglish. Let's improve our English skills. Tell someone off. Expressing disapproval or reprimanding someone. Example. The teacher had to tell the students off for being too noisy. Next. Ask for trouble. It means to engage in actions that are likely to result in problems or difficulties. For example, if you keep behaving like that, you're just asking for trouble. Call in sick. It means to inform your employer that you are unable to work due to illness. Example. I had to call in sick today because of a high fever. Please practice. More than one way to skin a cat, which means there are multiple methods or approaches to achieve a goal. For example, there's more than one way to skin a cat, so let's brainstorm some alternatives. Please practice and you can make your example sentences. Please yourself, which means to do what makes you happy or suits your preference. Example. It's your day off, so please yourself and relax. Been around the block, which means having a lot of experience in a particular area or having seen a lot in life. As an exercise and example, she's been around the block when it comes to working in different industries. Been through the ringer, meaning to have experienced a challenging or difficult situation. Example. After the accident, he felt like he'd been through the ringer. Been a while, referring to the fact that it's been a long time since something occurred. Example. It's been a while since we saw each other, we should catch up. Stay concentrated. Using it as a crutch. It means over-relying on something as a support or excuse. Example. He's been using his difficult childhood as a crutch for his behavior. Difficult to come by, meaning rare or hard to find. As an example, vintage collectibles like these are difficult to come by. Over the years, meaning throughout a period of time, typically a long one. Example. He had collected many rare books over the years. Over the top, meaning excessive or extravagant. Example. The decorations at the party were way over the top. Hard to swallow. It means difficult to accept or believe. As an example, the news of his resignation was hard to swallow for the team. Next, vocabulary. Related to the matter at hand, which means connected or relevant to the current topic or situation. Example. Let's focus on issues related to the matter at hand. Related by blood. Having a genetic or familial relationship. Example. We may not be close, but we're related by blood. I hope you are still concentrating. Mind over matter. Meaning, the power of one's thoughts and will to overcome physical challenges. Example. With enough determination, you can achieve anything. It's mind over matter. Out of sight, out of mind. It means something or someone not visible is easily forgotten. Example. Since he moved away, he's been out of sight, out of mind. Time heals all wounds. It means over time, emotional pain or distress will diminish. For example, though it hurts now, remember that time heals all wounds. Touch and go. A situation that is uncertain or risky. Example. The success of the project was touch and go until the last minute. Like crazy. Which means to do something with great enthusiasm or intensity. Example. She's been studying like crazy to prepare for the exam. Do your thing. Which means encouragement to pursue one's own interests or activities. Example. Don't worry about what others think. Just do your thing. One thing at a time. Focusing on tasks or issues individually rather than trying to do everything at once. As an example sentence for you, let's take it one thing at a time and prioritize our tasks. Next. Keep it real. Meaning, to be authentic, genuine, or true to oneself. For example, she's always honest and keeps it real in every situation. Every step of the way. It means throughout the entire process or journey. Example. I'll support you every step of the way as you pursue your dreams. Keep practicing until you are fluent. And the last one. New lease on life. Meaning, a fresh start or a renewed sense of purpose. As an example sentence for you to practice. After recovering from the illness, she felt like she had a new lease on life. Thank you for watching this video. If you feel this video is useful for improving your English skills, please subscribe to this channel. See you soon.